Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we dig into real tech, no fluff, just what matters. If you love drones, content creation, or just simply flying high, you'll want to hear what I have on the DJI Neo 2 today. DJI's Neo line has always aimed to hit a sweet spot: powerful features, portability, and ease of use. That first Neo turned a lot of heads for its compact design and solid capabilities. Now, with rumors and early leaks about the Neo 2 circulating, the expectation is that DJI will push things further: sharper image quality, smarter flight modes, longer flight times, and better safety systems. Let's start with timing. The consensus in the drone community is that the Neo 2 could launch in late 2025, possibly in the fall. DJI often times its bigger model announcements around that period to catch holiday traffic. It's not confirmed, of course, but the signs point in that direction. One of the biggest upgrades people expect is the camera sensor. The original Neo used a smaller sensor that was good for daylight footage. For Neo 2, many leaks suggest it may move to a 1-inch sensor, or at least a significantly larger sensor, for better sensitivity, dynamic range, and low light performance. That means cleaner footage when the sun is lower, or when you're flying at dawn or dusk. Video specs are rumored to improve too. The Neo 2 is said to support 5.7K at 60 frames per second or equivalent high-quality modes, possibly with better oversampling when you shoot 4K. The idea is to give more flexibility for cropping, stabilization, and delivering sharper output even when you push the quality. Flight time is always a concern for small drones, and DJI is rumored to target up to 40 minutes on a single battery under ideal conditions. Of course, real-world conditions, wind, speed, payload, will reduce that, but aiming higher gives room for more creative shots without worrying too soon about landing. Stability and safety are crucial over water or tricky terrain, and that's likely a major focus of Neo 2. Expect enhanced obstacle avoidance sensors around multiple axes: front, back, sides, downward. Smarter AI tracking, better detection of small or thin objects, branches, wires, and robust return-to-home behavior are all features many pilots hope DJI addresses. Another important area is connectivity and transmission. The Neo may use an improved version of DJI's OcuSync or equivalent tech, with better signal stability, lower latency, and stronger range. That's essential when you fly far or in areas with interference. Reliable video feed means safer flights and more confidence pushing limits. Portability is a hallmark of the Neo series, and I expect Neo 2 will retain a foldable design with compact form factor. The goal is a drone you can toss in a backpack without feeling burdened, yet still gets serious capabilities when flying. But nothing is perfect, and it's important to temper expectations. For instance, to fit new sensors, better stabilization, and improved obstacle systems, weight may increase. DJI will have to manage the balance so it doesn't cross regulatory thresholds in many countries. Also, pushing for higher video specs may come with heat and power trade-offs. And in challenging conditions, bad weather, dense foliage, fast-moving subjects, some smart features may struggle. Price is always a question. Given the enhancements expected, the Neo 2 will likely be more expensive than the first Neo. But if DJI positions it well, it could still be attractive compared to flagship drones that carry heavy costs and complexity. Many users will see the Neo 2 as a middle ground, high performance without going full pro. So, who does Neo 2 appeal to? If you're a content creator, traveler, blogger, or someone who captures lots of outdoor footage, Neo 2 is likely to offer big value. If you only occasionally fly or do casual shots, the original Neo or even more basic drones might suffice. To sum up, the DJI Neo 2 is shaping up to be an exciting step forward. With a possible 1-inch sensor, improved video specs, better safety features, extended flight times, and smarter transmission, it could be the best version of the Neo line yet. But we must wait for DJI's official reveal to get certainty on specs, pricing, and performance. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Tap Tech for more drone and tech updates, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the moment Neo 2 becomes real. Thanks for watching, fly safe, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.